Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A33, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So first we should open the Movies Edge application, and after that, for example, we can swatch one from the stem. For example, we can enable this one, then click here just to apply. Here we can change the backgrounds of the stem. They hide the music control after 10 seconds, or just don't hide them. Here we can turn on or turn off the notifications, the calendar to show the date or time, or just to show the battery status always while charging, or just to don't show the battery status. If we'll go here into the settings and tap on the always on display section, by the same way we can change the show time of the AoD feature always while device charging, or for example when we will play the music here. So also get here that is AoD timeout after 1 minute, or just never. We can switch it by just swipe this dot to the left or to the right side. Also we can decrease or increase the brightness level to 100%, and we can also close the AoD by double tap or single tap on the lock screen, or also we can close it with a fingerprint if you have just activated the fingerprint recognition. And also can set up here the shadow if you want. So that's it, that's how to customize always on display feature on now a Samsung Galaxy device. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.